How to become an Insubuy affiliate and start earning commissions promoting travel insurance online. My name is Ricardo Pimenta, and in this video I will show you how to get started step by step. If you want to create your affiliate account right now, use the verified and secure sign-up link in the description and in the pinned comment. One of the easiest ways to promote travel insurance online is through the affiliate platform Travel Payouts, where you can access the Insubuy affiliate program. Again, if you want to start, the verified and secure registration link is in the description and pinned comment. Insubuy is a well-known platform that helps travelers compare and purchase travel medical insurance and international insurance plans online. The company has more than 20 years of experience and offers many types of insurance for travelers, visitors, and international students. The affiliate program allows you to earn money every time someone purchases a travel insurance policy through your affiliate link. Commissions can reach up to about $150 depending on the policy value, and the program also includes a 30-day cookie tracking period. After creating your account on Travel Payouts, log into your dashboard and search for the Insubuy affiliate program. Apply to the program, and once approved, you will receive your affiliate links. You can promote these links on YouTube, websites and blogs, travel content pages, social media. Every time someone buys travel insurance through your affiliate link on Insubuy, you can earn a commission. If you want to start promoting travel insurance and earning online, use the verified and secure sign-up link in the description and pinned comment to create your affiliate account. You can also learn more about travel affiliate platforms on my website, plataformadiaffiliados.com. And remember, the verified and secure registration link is in the description and pinned comment so you can start today.